Sri Gurupyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaiva. See, this is 10th standard chapter 5 exercise 5.2 11th sum. If the points a 2 comma 2 and b minus 2 comma minus 3 and c 1 comma minus 3 and d x comma y forms a parallelogram. The 4 points forms a parallelogram. Then you should find out the value of x and y. See the diagram, see here. A, B, C, D. What is the point for A? 2, 2. A point is 2, 2. B value is minus 2, minus 3. B point is minus 2, minus 3. C is 1, minus 3 and D is x, y. If the points forms a parallelogram, then opposite sides are parallel. That is slope of AB equal to slope of CD. The same way slope of AD equal to slope of BC. So slope of AB equal to slope of CD and the same way slope of AD equal to slope of BC. First you should find out slope of AB. Slope of AB. What is the point for A? A point is 2, 2. What is the point for B? B point is minus 2, minus 3. B point is minus 2, minus 3. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So, what is the formula? Slope of the 2 points. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, slope of AB. Slope of AB equal to y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 3. y2 minus y1. Minus y1 is minus 2 by x2 is what? Minus 2 minus x1 is minus 2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It gives minus 5 by minus 4. So, slope of AB equal to 5 by 4. Slope of AB equal to 5 by 4. So, slope of AB equal to 5 by 4. You should find out the value of what? Slope of CD. Slope of CD because opposite sides are parallel. If it is parallel, then the slopes are equal. Slope of CD. What is C value here? 1, minus 3. C value is 1, minus 3. What is that value of D? D equal to x, y. D value equal to x, y. This is, you can take it as x1, y1 and this one is what? x2, y2. So, slope of CD. Slope of CD equal to y2 minus y1. y2 value is what? Y minus y1 value is what? Minus 3. Put a bracket. Next, x2 minus x1. x2 is x minus x1 is 1. So, slope of CD equal to y plus 3 by x minus 1. If it is a parallelogram, what is the value? Slope of AB equal to slope of CD. Slope of AB equal to slope of CD. That is, what is the value of slope of AB? 5 by 4. 5 by 4 equal to y plus 3 by x minus 1. Y plus 3 by x minus 1. See the cross multiplication. 5 into x minus 1 cross multiplication. 5 into x minus 1 equal to 4 into y plus 3. 4 into y plus 3. So, 5x minus 5 equal to, you can bring that 5 inside. 5x minus 5 equal to 4y plus 12 equal to 4y plus 12. So, 5x, you bring x and y term to one side. 5x minus 4y. That 4y to the left hand side is equal to 12 plus 5. It's equal to 12 plus 5. So 5x minus 4y equal to 17. You can take it as the first equation. Next you should find out the slope of BC and slope of BC. What is slope of BC? Slope of BC. What is the value of B here? B value equal to minus 2 comma minus 3 and C value equal to 1 comma C value equal to 1 comma minus 3. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2. See slope of BC. Slope of BC equal to the same way y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, that is minus 3, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 1 minus of minus 2, x2 minus x1. So it gives minus 3 plus 3 by 1 plus 2. It gives 0 by 3, the value equal to 0. 0 by 3, the value equal to 0. Slope of AD. Slope of AD. What is the value of A? A value is 2 comma 2. What is the value of D? D value is nothing but what? X comma Y. D value is X comma Y. So it gives, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope of AD. Slope of AD equal to, slope of AD equal to y2 minus y1. Y2 value is what? Y minus y1 is 2 by x2 minus x1. x2 is x. x2 is x minus 2. So you know very well, slope of BC equal to slope of AD because it is parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. So slope of BC equal to slope of AD. Slope of AD. Slope of BC equal to what? 0 equal to y minus 2 by x minus 2, y minus 2 by x minus 2. So you bring this value to this side, it becomes 0. So y minus 2 equal to 0, y equal to 2, y equal to 2. Substitute y equal to 2 in first equation. What is the first equation? 5x minus 4y equal to 17. 5x minus 4y equal to 17. 5x minus 4 into 2 equal to 17. 5x minus 4 into 2 equal to 17. 5x minus 8 equal to 17. 5x minus 8 equal to 17. So 5x equal to 17 plus 8. You bring this 8 to the right hand side. So 5x equal to 25. X equal to 25 by 5. So what is the value of x? X equal to 5. So x equal to 5. X value equal to 5 and y value equal to 2. The point, what is the point? D point. The point D is, what is x value? 5 comma 2. The point D is 5 comma 2. See the 12th sum. Let A, B, C, D. Show that A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel. But in trapezium, any one of the side is parallel. Okay, any one side is parallel. See here. First you can draw it near a rough diagram. X axis, y axis, origin C 2 4 6 8 10. The same way minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 8 minus 6 minus 8. Here 2 4 6 minus 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 6 minus 4 minus 6. What is the first one? 3 comma minus 4. 3 comma minus 4. The point is like this. Next 9 comma minus 4. 9 comma minus 4. 9 comma minus 4. Next 5 comma minus 7. 5 comma minus 7. 5 comma minus 7. 5 comma minus 7. Next 7 comma minus 7. 7 comma minus 7. So it forms a trapezium. It forms a trapezium. This is A, B, C, D. See, we can check the trapezium by distance formula also, and you can use it as a slope formula also. See, you can see the slope formula. First you can take it as slope of AB. Slope of AB. What is the value of A? A value is 3 comma minus 4 and B value is 9 comma minus 4. Slope of AB x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope of AB equal to, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 is minus 4. y1 minus of minus 4 by x2. x2 is what? 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. So, we are getting a value minus 4 plus 4 by 9 minus 3 is 6. So, slope of AB equal to slope of AB equal to minus 4 plus 4, 0 by 6, the value equal to 0. 0 by 6, the value equal to 0. Next, slope of BC. Slope of BC. What is B value? B value is 9 comma minus 4. B value is 9 comma minus 4. C value is 5 comma minus 7. C value is 5 comma minus 7. x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. So it gives y2 minus y1. y2 value is what? Minus 7 minus y1 is what? Minus 4 by x2. x2 is 5 minus 9. x2 is 5 minus 9. So it gives minus 7 plus 4 by 5 minus 9 is minus 4. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Slope of BC. Slope of BC equal to minus 7 plus 4 equal to minus 3 by minus 4. Minus 3 by minus 4, it get cancelled, value is equal to 3 by 4. The value is equal to 3 by 4. Then you can take it as slope of CD. Slope of CD. What is the value of C? C is 5 comma minus 7 and D is 7 comma minus 7. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x2, y2. So slope of CD equal to y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 7 minus y1 is what? Minus 7. You can put a bracket by x2 minus x1. 7 minus 5. x2 minus x1. So it gives minus 7 plus 7 by 7 minus 5 is what? 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So slope of CD, slope of CD equal to minus 7 plus 7, 0 by 2, it gives 0. 0 by 2, it gives 0. Then you can take it as slope of AD. Slope of AD equal to, what is the value of A? 3 comma minus 4. The value of D is 7 comma minus 7. 7 comma minus 7. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. x2, y2. It gives y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 7 minus y1 is minus 4 by x2 minus x1. x2 is 7 minus 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. So what is the value? Minus 7 plus 4 by minus 7 plus 4 by 7 minus 3 is what? 4. So slope of AD equal to minus 3 by 4. Slope of AD equal to minus 3 by 4. See, slope of AB equal to, slope of AB value is equal to 0 and slope of CD value is also 0. Slope of AD equal to slope of CD, the value is 0. But slope of, see here, slope of BC value is 3 by 4 and slope of AD value is minus 3 by 4. The values are not equal. Slope of BC not equal to, slope of BC not equal to slope of AD. Slope of BC not equal to slope of AD. So one pair of opposite sides are equal. One pair of opposite sides are, one pair of opposite sides. Sorry, what is the condition for trapezium? One pair of opposite sides is equal. Opposite sides are parallel. So equal. So it forms a trapezium. Any one of the pair is equal. Okay, so it forms a trapezium. So ABCD forms a trapezium. ABCD forms a trapezium because any one of the side is parallel, another side is non-parallel. In trapezium, only one of the side is parallel. The next side is what? It is a non-parallel side. So ABCD forms a trapezium. So see here, slope of AB equal to slope of CD is nothing but what? Slope of AD equal to slope of CD is nothing but what? AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. This side is a parallel side and slope of BC not equal to slope of AD. This side is not a parallel side. If the slopes are equal, then it is a parallel. So slope of AD equal to slope of CD is nothing but AB is parallel to CD. But in this side is a non-parallel side. Only one pair of side is parallel. So therefore one pair of opposite sides are parallel, that is equal value, parallel. One pair of opposite sides are equal, the values are equal, it is nothing but what? Slopes are parallel. So ABCD forms a trapezium. See the 13th sum. A quadrilateral has vertices A minus 4 comma minus 2, B 5 comma minus 1, C 6 comma 5 and D minus 7 comma 6. Show that the midpoint, what is the midpoint? Midpoint, the center point of the line, okay. Midpoint of its sides form a parallelogram. You can see the diagram, see here. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. What is the point for A? Minus 4 comma minus 2. B point is 5 comma minus 1 and C point is 6 comma 5 and D point is minus 7 comma 6. The midpoint, this is, you can take it as P, this midpoint you can take it as Q, and this one R, and this point you can take it as S. You can join this point. You have to prove it forms a parallelogram. Show that the midpoints of its sides forms a parallelogram. Okay, first you should find out the midpoint of these values. What is midpoint of AB? Midpoint of AB is P. Midpoint of AB is P. What is the formula for midpoint? X1 plus X2 by 2 comma Y1 plus Y2 by 2. So A point is, what is A point? Minus 4 comma minus 2. B point is 5 comma minus 1. This is X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Midpoint P equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, midpoint formula y1 plus y2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So P equal to, what is the value of x1 here? Minus 4. x2 is plus 5 by 2, comma, y1 minus 2. Plus y2 is what? Minus 1 by 2. Then what is the value for P? P equal to 5 minus 4 by 2 is 1 by 2. 5 minus 4 by 2 is 1 by 2, comma, minus 3 by 2. What is the value of P? 1 by 2, comma, minus 3 by 2. This is the value of P. 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC equal to Q is Q. Midpoint of BC is Q. So what is the value of B? B value is 5 comma minus 1. C value is 6 comma 5. So Q equal to x1 y1 x2 y2, x1 y1 x2 y2. So what is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So 5 plus 6 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 5 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, 5 plus 6 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 5 by 2. Therefore Q point equal to 11 by 2 comma 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4 by 2. Cancel the value. What is the point of Q? Q equal to 11 by 2 comma 2. So the Q point is 11 by 2 comma 2. Q point is 11 by 2 comma 2. Midpoint of CD. Midpoint of CD is R, capital R. Midpoint of CD is capital R. R equal to, what is the value of C? C value is 6 comma 5. C value is 6 comma 5 and D value is minus 7 comma 6. D value is minus 7 comma 6. Midpoint of CD. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. So R equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 6 minus 7 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2. 6 minus 7 by 2 comma 5 plus 6 by 2. 5 plus 6 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So R equal to 6 minus 7 is minus 1 by 2 comma 5 plus 6 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2 comma 11 by 2. So R value is what? Minus 1 by 2 comma 11 by 2. R value is minus 1 by 2 comma 11 by 2. Midpoint of AD. Midpoint of AD or DA. Midpoint of AD is S. Midpoint of AD is S. So what is S? A point is minus 4 comma minus 2 and D point is minus 7 comma 6. Minus 7 comma 6. So S equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, the same thing you can proceed. Minus 4 minus 7 by 2 comma minus 2 plus 6 by 2. Okay. So S equal to minus 11 by 2 comma minus 11 by 2 comma 4 by 2. Minus 11 by 2 comma 4 by 2. Cancel. What is the value of S here? S equal to minus 11 by 2 comma 2. The value of S is minus 11 by 2 comma 2. Yeah, we found the value of the midpoint of the AB, BC and CD and DA. Now we are going to prove this midpoints form a parallelogram or not. See, first you should find out the slope of PQ. Slope of PQ. P, you can x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. It gives, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 value is 2 minus y1 is minus 3 by 2 by x2. x2 is what? 11 by 2 minus x1 is what? 1 by 2. x1 is 1 by 2. So it gives 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 3 by 2 by LCM. What is the common denominator? 2. Common denominator 2 is what? 11 minus 1 by 2. So see here. Take the LCM as 2 here. What is the value we are getting? 4 plus 3 by 2 by 11 minus 1, 10 by 2. 10 by 2. You reciprocal that value. 4 plus 3 is what? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 2 by 10. 7 by 2 into 2 by 10. 2 get cancelled. So what is the value of slope of PQ? Slope of PQ. Slope of PQ equal to 7 by 10. Slope of PQ equal to 7 by 10. Slope of QR. Slope of QR. What is the value of Q here? Q 11 by 2 comma 2. R is minus 1 by 2 comma 11 by 2. x1, y1, x2, y2. So slope of QR equal to y2 minus y1. y2 is 11 by 2 minus y1 is what? 2 by x2. x2 is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 11 by 2. Minus 11 by 2. See here. Can take it as 2 as the LCM. It gives 11 minus 4 by 2 by 11 minus, because by 1 by minus 4 by 2 by 1. Common denominator 2. So minus 11 minus 1 is minus 12 by 2. Minus 12 by 2. So it gives 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Reciprocal that value into 2 by minus 12. Into 2 by minus 12. 2 get cancel. What is slope of QR? Minus 7 by 12. Slope of QR value is equal to minus 7 by 12. See, slope of RS. Slope of RS equal to, what is the value of R? R is minus 1 by 2 comma 11 by 2. S is minus 11 by 2 comma 2. So the same thing, x1 y1 x2 y2, x1 y1 x2 y2. It gives y2 minus y1 2, y2 minus y1 11 by 2, 2 minus 11 by 2 by x2 minus 11 by 2 minus x1 minus 1 by 2, minus 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So see the value here, 2 minus 11 by 2 by minus 11 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Minus into minus become plus 1 by 2. 2 you can take it as the LCM. So 4 minus 11 by 2 by 4 minus 11 by 2 by minus 11 plus 1, because 2 as the common denominator, minus 10 by 2, minus 10 by 2. So 4 minus 11 minus 7 by 2, minus 7 by 2, reciprocal that value 2 by minus 10, 2 by minus 10, it get cancelled, minus minus get cancelled. What is the value of RS? RS value is nothing but what? 7 by 10. Slope of RS is 7 by 10. So slope of PS, slope of PS, P value is what? P is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. S is minus 11 by 2 comma 2. x1 y1 x2 y2. Slope equal to y2 minus y1. 2 minus of minus 3 by 2. y2 minus, whenever minus come you can put a bracket, y1 by x2 minus x1. x2 is what? Minus 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Minus 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2. x2 minus x1. So it gives 2. Minus into minus become plus. So 2 plus 3 by 2 by minus, see, denominator is same, 2 as the common denominator. So minus 11 minus 1 by 2. So you can take it as the LCM as 2. So 4 plus 3 by 2 by minus 12 by 2. Minus 12 by 2. So it gives 7 by 2. 4 plus 3, 7 by 2. Reciprocal that value 2 by minus 12. 2 by minus 12. 2 get cancelled. Minus 7 by 12. 2 get cancelled. Minus 7 by 12. See, slope of PQ equal to slope of RS, you are getting the value 7 by 10, and slope of QR equal to slope of PF is equal to minus 7 by 12. If the slopes are equal, then it is parallel, that is PQ is parallel to RS and QR is parallel to PS. QR is parallel to PS. So if two sides are parallel, then obviously it become a what? Parallelogram. Therefore PQRS, that is the midpoint, PQRS, the points form a parallelogram. The points form a parallelogram. Is it clear, children? I hope you understood. Thank you, children.